Master Bai, teach me some Bisaya, please. Salamat.
I got you. Okay. What do you want to learn today?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, what'd you say?
What do you want to learn today? What kind of Bisayan words?
You gotta speak up. I can't hear. What'd you say?
What do you want to learn today?
Oh, well, maybe we'll start with that. Maybe what about what? The word what?
Okay. So you want what's that?
Like what'd you say, or when someone you can't hear what someone's saying, say what, say like that.
You know what is what? What means unsa?
Unsa, like unsa.
Yeah. What is unsa in Bisayan words?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Like
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it.
What?
Unsa.
Not unsa. Unsa.
What do you mean?
Unsa.
Unsa.
Good. Yeah. It's good now. Okay.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is the next one? How about tired? You want?
Are you tired?
No.
Oh.
Bisayan word of tired.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Bisayan word of tired. Kapoy.
Kapo.
Not kapoy. Kapoy.
Kapoy.
Kapoy.
Kapoy, like a boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not kaboy. Kapoy.
Wow!
Oh,
Kapoy.
like that. Kapoy. Yeah, good. Close.
Okay.
I'm so tired. Okay.
I'm so tired. Oh no. So kapoy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kapoy. Kapoy kayo.
Oh, kayo.
Kayo. I'm so tired. Kapoy kayo.
Kapoy kayo. Like that?
Yeah, kapoy kayo.
Okay.
So tired.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Yeah.
Kapoy kayo.
Yeah. How about do you know what is balut too?
Balut? What?
Balut.
No, I never.
Like a duck egg. Balut.
Like a duck egg?
Do you don't know what was that?
Oh, no.
Balut.
Oh, okay. I heard of it though.
Yeah.
Balut.
Balut.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Balut.
A duck egg, right?
Okay.
Filipino eat that one.
Oh, okay. It's like a delicacy.
Yeah, delicacy
Oh, I see.
in our country.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So
Sounds good.
balut.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Was other one. Unsa,
Unsa. What'd you say?
balut,
Balut.
unsa,
Unsa.
kapoy.
Kapoy.
Okay. What is kapoy?
Man, I'm tired. Tired by.
How about balut?
Balut is the duck egg.
Duck egg. How about
Are we getting somewhere, right?
how about what?
Unsa? Like that?
How about bro?
Hey, bro.
What?
No, bye.
Bye.
Master bye.
I master bye. And you're my
The apprentice, right?
apprentice, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Salamat.
A few moments later.
let's go my apprentice. So why you want to learn Bisayan word? Why?
Oh, why did I want to learn Bisaya?
Yeah, Bisayan word. Why?
Oh, wow. Because my wife's family is
Okay,
Bisaya
okay.
from the Philippines. And I just want to learn the language for my mama and papa so I can, communicate with them better. That's all.
Wow. Good idea.
And no better teacher like Master Bai.
Master by. Yeah.
So,
So you're gonna teach me English too?
you want to learn the drums? I'll teach you the drums.
Okay, next time. Okay, instrument next time.
Yeah.
If your basement is finished,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Next episode.
Okay.
Maybe next season.
Next season. So introduce yourself, buddy.
My name is Steve. That's
What's your name, buddy?
Steve.
Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah. But don't call me bro, okay? You
Bye.
call bye. But
I thought it was Master By.
master bye. Oh man. Oh, so really tired today, man.
Kapoy. What is
Yeah.
it? Kapoy?
Yeah. We're so tired today.
Kapoy ka.
Kayo.
Yeah. Kapoy ka. Oh.
We're so tired today because 12 hours, right?
Long day.
Long day. Yeah. Oh my
Long day,
god.
Master By.
But it's okay.
Did you want to pass by?
What is pass by in Bisaya?
Yeah. Can I pass by or no?
So what is that in Bisaya?
You tell me.
No. No, man. What is that?
I've heard of this one before. Wait.
Come on.
Agiko?
Wow.
Agiko.
Agiko. Agiko?
Agikao?
Agiko.
Agiko.
No, Agiko. Okay?
Alright.
That's good.
Thanks, bro.
Okay. Please watch. Watch my YouTube channel.
Everyone. Make sure you watch BAIRON and subscribe and give the thumbs up.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and share. Please press the notification bell.
Subscribe.
Thank you for subscribing.